Hi again, customers. We've got another product video for you today. It's the Tomei EXPREME TI exhaust system. This particular unit is for the EVO 7, 8, and 9. As you can see, it's a three-piece design. Comes with all the mounting hardware and accessories. Comes with some free Tomei stickers. And I'll just zoom in and show you the finish. So this exhaust system was designed for both lightweight and flow. For this car, the main pipe measures 80 millimeters in diameter. The silencer measures 152 millimeters. The weight is 4.85 kilograms, which is about 11 kilograms less than the standard exhaust system. Sorry, just had to look that up. So you can place your order for this today at www.nengun.com. Thanks for watching.